So guys, today it's the day we landed from El Salvador to America, and this is a couple months later, and now we have a flash flood warning. It's already a little bit flooding there, as you can see. So here this is just different news, but there is flash flood warning is in effect for city of, and here, hold on. Here, as you can see, National Weather Service, a flash flood warning is in effect for this area until 11 a.m. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. So guys, be safe, and if you're in this situation, then be safe.